Hi guys, I did something different with my hair. I did some protein, what do you call it, treatment. Do you like it? Thank you. So today I'm going to be journaling because it's just best to do it in nature. It's just more soothing. It'd be nice to just like connect with my feelings and connect with my emotions and do some reflection. So I'm not going to be doing much talking in this video. I'm just going to be writing, and if you want to do the same, you could definitely hang out with me. So let's do this. You know what I realized? You are in control of your thoughts. So I'm just, honestly, one thing I'm learning, I'm trying to unlearn the habit of self-sabotaging. I'm trying to learn the habit of unlearning those things. I just want to not, expect the worst in situations. I don't want to think less of people. I don't want to think less of myself. And honestly, the reason why I talk about this kind of things a lot is because I do it a lot, and I'm trying to not do these things and stop these bad habits. I remember I decided I was going to and I broke that promise, so I felt very guilty about this for like the longest week the longest day. But I'm happy I felt guilty, because that means like something inside of me is changing. This, I don't even know when, I think it was like beginning of this year. It's a prayer, just like an honest prayer that I felt like needed to be said to God. I just needed to speak to God. Okay, prayer. Lord, help me, show me clarity. I'm in my 20s and I just don't want to falter due to a mistake I made in my 20s. Please make me a better human. Make me a better person for my husband. Make me a better person for my children. Make me a better person for my own life and for the glory of your name. Bring a good person to my life. Bring the bone of my bones and the flesh of my flesh to me. Make me fruitful in my womb and the work of my hands. Give me peace in my heart and in the center of my family. Take away my burden and bless me. Bless my future. Give me good things and take away my bad habits. Amen. I just felt like it was needed to be said. Oh my God, the sun is it's setting. I need to take a picture. Yes, that's what we do. Hold on, BRB. I asked strangers to take my picture. It was fun. I had no idea who they were. And they said yes. But let me tell you what happened. The girl was coming by and she probably knew I was going to ask her, can you take my picture please? And then she pretended like she was on the phone. Wow. Now, women forget all those things they don't want to remember and remember everything they don't want to forget. Isn't that true? Isn't that accurate?